The DOKIO 160W18V Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit is a versatile and powerful option for anyone looking for a portable solar charging solution, perfect for outdoor activities such as camping, RV trips, or emergency backup power. Here's a detailed look at what makes this solar panel kit stand out. First, its high power and portability. Despite its compact size and lightweight design, this foldable solar panel packs a powerful 160W output. Built with monocrystalline silicon cells, it ensures high efficiency and a strong power output, even in less than ideal conditions. Secondly, it offers versatile charging options. This kit can charge 12V batteries and is compatible with most power stations. It also features 2 USB ports for charging phones and other devices directly from the panel. Ease of use is another major benefit. With a straightforward plug-and-play design and a 10A charge controller, it's easy to set up and use safely. Finally, while it may not have the build quality of more expensive models, it delivers robust performance at a great value. In summary, if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use solar panel with solid power output for outdoor use, the DOKIO 160W18V Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit is an excellent choice.